Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can make our video blurry in Capcut. Let's get started. Here I have imported my video to Capcut and we are going to make this video blurry. The first step that we should do is clicking on the effects option right here. Then you gotta choose video effects, just click on it. Then you have to search for a blur effect. You can search for the blur effect right here. Just type blur like this, and there will be a lot of blur effects that you can use. You can choose the one that you like. For example, I'm going to choose this one. Just click on the effect that you like. Then we're gonna go back to our video, and don't forget to click on this check mark after you choose the effect that you like. And we can adjust the length by dragging the effect like this, and let's check it together, guys. Okay guys, that's how we can make our video blurry in Capcut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.